We are back and we are at Summerleys again. Not as early as I usually am. It is 7 in the morning. I'm hoping that being out a little bit later is going to work in my favour. We've had a couple of days of rain and also high wind, so I'm not sure if that's had effect on the local wildlife anyway, but tell you what, there's loads of life out here, more so than usual, walking about. Just seen a great tit, and there's loads of robins flying about, but usually you don't tend to see them around this part here. They're usually quite quiet, so it's very, very nice for a good start for the morning. Plan for the day, there is no plan. I'm not going to make a plan as such. The way things are going to work will be slightly different. I came up with the realisation this morning that it's actually only 4 months to the end of the year, really. That's not long. So I've got a list of 10 species that I want to capture on my camera before the year is out. Not all bird species, we've got some others on there. I'll stick the list up now and we'll go through it.
So it's Editor Luke here, and here is the definitive list of the species I want to catch for the end of the year. Obviously, the elusive thing for me, the bullfinch is on there. Chinese water deer. I'd like to see a weasel or a stoat. Mandarin duck would be absolutely sublime. A beaver, any owl species, a white-tailed eagle, a lesser spotted woodpecker, because I've got the rest of the woodpeckers in Britain, the red-chested pochard, and the gold crest. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below if there's anything that's on your wish list for the end of the year.
But that's not all we've got coming up this year. We're going to take this show on the road. We have got some trips booked. So later on this year, we are going to Cyprus, and we are going to dedicate an entire day to bird watching. And hopefully we'll see some really, really cool stuff. I've got a wish list as well for Cyprus, and I'll share that in due course. But there's some wicked species out there. If any that you know you think I should definitely try and catch when I'm there, put it in the comments below. Then moving on from that, looking at April next year, I'm going to go to Thailand. Going to see what we can see there as well. Going to dedicate some time to bird watching there when I'm there, as well as other species, so other wildlife. So we're going to take a look at some of the, we're going to take you in the water. We're going to go and look for some mammals. We're going to get into the rainforest. We're going to see what snakes we can see, what insects we can see, any spiders, any reptiles and amphibians. So it's going to be an action-packed, I would say, next 10 months, which is fantastic news and great for me anyway. But I'll take you all on the journey and we'll spot everything together. But anyway, plan for today, just see what we can see, have some fun, enjoy everything. So when I get to the first couple of shots, I'll stick them in for you. I couldn't have asked for a better start to today. So many different species. It's absolutely gorgeous around here. I don't know if it's the stormy weather the past couple of days that's helped, and maybe they're not able to get his food as freely, and that's why they're feeding more this morning. There's more stuff about, but so full of life. This is exactly what it's all about. I mean, coming here and you go, seeing a greater spotted woodpecker straight away, that's fantastic. As we know on the list, I've got the lesser spotted woodpecker to go over, and that's the woodpecker species the UK done. So I don't think they've got any around here, but I do need to find out where they are, because I don't know, maybe I'm the woodpecker man. Maybe I should rename Woody in a different life, but either way, what a morning. I mean, it doesn't get better than this, really, does it? It really doesn't. and that was absolutely incredible. Never seen that much life at a hike before. There was just madness. At one point, I just didn't know where to look. My eyes were going all over the place. Hope you enjoyed all the shots, because I enjoyed taking them. Getting a green finch, gold finch, woodpecker. Honestly, what a day. Yeah, the great spotted woodpecker. Once again, a bird I've always knew about, but never seen up until recently. And now I've seen it a few times, and it's just as gorgeous every single time. But I feel like today I am blessed, and I don't want it to end here. So we've got some other bits we're going to check out now, and do you know what? I might even have to come out tonight just to capture things again. I feel like I'm on a roll. Like, this is some exciting stuff. Do you know what? Some of these just gets better and better. I would definitely say, if you haven't been to some of these before, definitely do check it out. The work they do here is absolutely incredible. They've got things on throughout the kids throughout summer. They've got wildlife walks for adults throughout the year as well. So if you fancy imparting your money to help a charity out, Wildlife Trust for Northamptonshire, Bedfordshire and Cambridgeshire, definitely worth giving it a go. This is absolutely incredible. And I know I've got a lot of other places to try in Northamptonshire and surrounding areas, but this is just madness. Woodpecker's up there. Woodpecker's up there. Right, I only managed to catch it as it was coming out of the tree, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'll put it up on the screen anyway. But I'm going to keep quiet and just hear. So I know you can hear a lot of gulls right now, but there's so much life this morning. This is absolutely incredible. As we say, we're going to go on to the next hide. Going to see what we can get, because what a morning. I'm going to say as now, it's probably the best morning I've had wildlife watching in forever. So hope you're enjoying this too. Wow, well, that was pretty amazing. But crested grebe, I'm just really happy to get that shot. Both of them together as well, got absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous birds. But the egret taking the fish, didn't expect to get that one. That's the action shot. It's been a great morning, like probably the best morning, as I said before. So I really cannot complain. There's so much life here. Feels like things are back in full swing here in the UK in regards to life, especially around here anyway. I don't know, let me know in your area what it's like at the moment. Have things really picked up? Because it feels like today things have picked up massively. So I think the plan is now gonna head off home, but I'm not done. We're gonna come back later. So I'm gonna end this video here and say, if you are new, please do subscribe. It does help me out immensely. Gives me the encouragement to carry on and keep on going and get more of these videos out. But importantly, we've got loads of videos to come. We're going to see what species we get. We're going to see what we can get ticked off our list. But yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone who's supported so far on the journey. But yeah, amazing day. Thank you. Bye.